After Ramadan, Muslims celebrate the end of the fast with a 3-day holiday, Eid al-Fitr. Special food is prepared and events take place in festive traditions that have been cultivated in modern time into music festivals, carnivals and family reunions.
Welcome.
Looking at the 5th Doha Festival of Song in Qatar, we are able to watch and meet some of the biggest names in Arabic music and find out what Arabic music means in the modern Arab world.
I always had a dream to become a singer. I felt that this is emotional thing. I can explode it by sending a message to people with my songs.
I feel that it is something angelic. It is the only humane thing that doesn't possess selfishness or lies or ulterior motives. It is free of the blemishes that surround our world.
Music is a universal language. Like food, like drinks, it has no boundaries. Music is as essential to me as water and air.
The Doha Festival of Song is a popular event in the Arabic music calendar. 18 artists over 1 week, one large Arab television crew, 10,000 fans, live pictures transmitted across the world.
The first known of the ouds come from the Mesopotamia and the old Egyptian civilizations. That's about 4,500 years. And after that adopted by Arabs and become as one of the main instruments in Arab culture and Arab music.
The violin is an instrument that has been taken to the heart of Arabic music, imported from Europe via Napoleon's campaigns in Egypt. A large violin section has become standard in the traditional Arab orchestra.
The main character of Arabic music is quarter tone. Western music have semitone and tone, but we have a semitone and tone, and we have quarter tone. Let us to listen. Is it between minor and major? This is F. This is G, and this is a quarter tone. Instead of E natural, we're playing E quarter. That's why.
عزيزي الأحباب ما تستغني عنه هذا الزمن غير كثيرين يا خوفي انت تكون منه
الموسيقى تعني لي هي حياتي.
To me, music is my life.
الموسيقى حياتي.
Through this music, my intention was not merely to entertain an audience for an hour's time, but rather my intention was to create music that offers its listener a form of companionship where you would miss a song like you would miss a lover or your friends. Music is a bright picture of life. It is a picture that is very rare and much needed in these times. Music is everything to me.
The player expresses his feeling through his instrument. For example, when you hug the lute, you feel it, even the sound from inside.
The oud is close to your body and your heart. You can't express yourself without you holding the oud as something your beloved.
You hug it like your baby when you play this instrument, the most popular instrument in the Arab world. Even the other instrument, we call it qanoon, where you put it also close to your body, so you feel it. Our music, it came from the heart. It's not a science music. We don't have that science in the scale. We have the melody music, which also belong to the words as a song. We don't have that music without song. It's not very famous here.
خليك طيب يا عسل يا صافي لك صفي نيتك روحي لجلك فدوى بوس قلبك.
كان عندي رسالة ما أوصلها.
I always wanted to tell the world that we possess a form of music that is beautiful and romantic, and to paint a picture of Iraq, my country, to the entire world, to let them know that there is a music in my country, that there is a music of romance, and many beautiful things, beside the pictures of war and suffering that they normally see.
Arabic musician or Europe musician, it is just one word, but the different, I thought, the different is because our musician is more classical, and the world is very important in the Arab musician. And when we are singing, we should sing something. Anyone, they hear it, they feel it. It's something very powerful.
نحن العرب حتى لما نغني أغاني مفرحة.
We the Arabs, even when we sing happy songs, always have a touch of sadness in our music.
العصب الرئيسي
And that is why whenever you hear anything that is Arabic in character, you are bound to feel a hint of sadness and find that struggle and loss are main features on which we build our music.